Now we're going to talk a little bit about decoration without getting into the glazing. I work with a lot of stamping, and I have a couple of tiles here that they are stamped with these metal tools. These metal tools are from an old tap and die factory that was in Greenfield. Greenfield, this whole area of Western Mass was known for its tool making. So I got these tools when the place closed down, and I used this tool to make this stamp. I pushed in, and by pushing in that whole row, it created a cloverleaf pattern here. And the particular glaze that I chose is a Celadon type glaze, and it just pulls into the cross, and it just gives it a lot of depth. This one, I used the opposite side of the tool, the square part, and it has a nice little hole in it, and I pushed in, and wherever it didn't push in, it raised up a little bit. So again, it gives it some depth. I also do that on my goblet forms, and that's just with a smaller one, pushing in like that. And I'll show you that on this pot right here that I just made. I'm just going to put a little bit of a stamping right here. And I'm going to make sure that my fingers are in the back of it. I'm going to push